Hi everybody, Alex Multiplier from Expert Forex, and in this video we're going to be looking at two strategies available for Forex Robot beginners and other Forex Robot traders. Now the beauty of this is that you can trade these strategies with as little as $100 in your account. So strategy one that we're going to be looking at is using a really easy, profitable Forex Robot. The next strategy, number two, is going to be using the same robot but in conjunction with a more inconsistent but very high potential trending EA. So you combine the two. So let's have a look at those strategies. Now before we do that, I have created a brand new playlist on YouTube. It's Trading Robots for Beginners, and on it has a list of videos that will really help you with your Forex trading as a beginner. So it starts out with explaining what Forex Robots are. It tells you how you can trade Forex Robots with as little as $100 in your account, and then it starts detailing some videos that help you trade Forex Robots as a beginner. So there we are, start trading Forex as a beginner, no experience required. Then it talks about the $200 to trade 3 robots. Then it starts getting into the detail of the GTM robot, which we're going to be looking at later on, and also the Make Money robot. And it also then gets into a bit more advanced things like how do you load 20 robots onto one account or one platform very quickly, and you can do that within 20 minutes. But have a look at this playlist, very informative playlist. I've just created it. It's got 9 videos. I'm probably going to be adding more videos to it, but this essentially is almost like a course in getting you into robot trading. Now while I'm doing this video is that I have recently looked at our 70 robot trading live accounts, and the results are by far dominated by 2 EAs, which is the GTM, the Grid Trend Multiplier, and the Make Money EA. And there you can see the Make Money I've highlighted, and the rest, all the rest are almost all the GTM. I missed a highlight there on that particular one, but you can see the name of these accounts. These are all live accounts. They're all $1,000 accounts, and there's the description of the strategy. It's a plug and play strategy using the euro. You can see the $1,000 has gained to 1,621, and this is since June. So we're looking at June, July, August, September, October, November. So it's 5.5 months of trading, and we've made 60% return, and that is really a good return over a 6-month period. If you look further down, you see the returns are lower. So on average, we're looking for a return of about between 40% to 80% a year, and that's the way Forex Robots should be traded, in a controlled risk portfolio like I have there. But this just shows you how successful the GTM is and how successful the Make Money EA is. So let's have a look at them in a little bit more detail. Now the Grid Trend Multiplier, there is the marketing page for that. What I would suggest is go and have a look at that marketing page, read all about it. There are a few videos on there that will help you tremendously, but essentially the Grid Trend Multiplier trades a grid, and the strategy that we use there is a buy and sell strategy. In other words, we buy and sell at the same time, and strangely enough, everything becomes very positive after a while because of the price visiting the same price levels over and over again. So this is an ideal EA to start as a beginner. It's a very easy concept to work with. You can see it happening on this chart. It is always trading. From the minute you activate it, it starts trading. So there's no delay. We get a lot of people putting EAs in and saying, oh, my EA is not trading, what's wrong? This one will trade from the get-go. And here's a typical example of the performance of this EA. You can see it's got a nice balance chart. Also, this is a real account. The return is 37%, not bad. And Also, the success rate is very high. So it's very nice for a beginner trader. You have a high success rate. You have a profitable EA. And by the way, what we are using here are the plug and play version. So in other words, we've got some standard settings that you can use because we have gone out and researched which currencies are the best and which settings are the best. And that's all you have to decide on. Oh, I want to trade this currency and those settings. So we've made it very easy for you on the plug and play version. And these are the results of the plug and play versions. So that's why we say this is a really good EA to get started on, because psychologically you're profitable straight away, you're trading very actively, really gives you a good introduction to Forex Trading Robot. Then the next robot that we're going to look at is the Make Money EA. Now the Make Money EA is way more profitable, but way more inconsistent. So you do need to trade these two together. This one is a trending EA, the other one is a sideways EA. So you have to trade them together and take advantage of the market when it suddenly starts trading like crazy. So this is the other one, the Make Money EA, and let's have a look at its performance. Now here you can see a couple of accounts that we've got trading that particular EA, and you can see the inconsistency of the performance. But the one thing that happens is when it hits a trend, it really trades tremendously. It's actually made almost 150% return in that particular jump that happened there. And here you can see another very inconsistent, but really overall the returns are fantastic. Let's have a look here. 182% compared to the 38 or so previously. Here you have 108% return over more than a year. That's also over more than a year. And this one is 118% over more than a year. And you look at that. That made all the gains right at the beginning, then has battled a bit since then. So they don't always make profits. And that's why I say this is an inconsistent EA. It is highly profitable, a lot more profitable than the GTM, but it's inconsistent. You have to, it's a bit like fishing. You throw your line into the water and you wait for the fish to bite. And when it bites in a big way. Like in this case, it bit right in the beginning. Yeah, it's biting at the end. So that's the nature. And this is a very frustrating EA to trade because it does have drawdown periods. And depending on when you buy it, you can be disappointed by this EA. So it's good to trade the two together, the consistent GTM and the inconsistent but much more profitable Make Money EA. So those are the two strategies you can follow. You can trade the GTM on its own, or you can trade them as a strategy. If you use them as a strategy, your potential gains are a lot higher, as you can see on this particular screen. And I mentioned earlier the plug and play versions. You can see here's the total input for both of those EAs. All you have to do for the Make Money EA is tell it which currency, and we're going to give you 4 to choose from, so it's not difficult, and which strategy. Do you want to be aggressive, do you want to be conservative, or do you want a balanced strategy? So easy. And then you have to tell it how many what kind of lot sizing you want to risk for your particular EA, and we give you a formula to work that out. And the same thing for the grid trend multiplier. It works slightly different. We give you 4 currencies to trade. We also give you various strategies to trade, and we, instead of saying position sizing, we say how much of your account do you want to risk on this EA, and the EA will work out your position sizing for you. Slightly different. You also have to just say at what stage of, if there's a drawdown on the account, when do you want it to stop? Do you want to it's to stop after you made a 30% loss, 50% loss, that type of thing. So very, very easy EAs to do because it is all done for you. All you have to say is, am I an aggressive trader, am I conservative, or a balanced one? We always recommend that you use the highest time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame, and the conservative approach to get going. And once you're going, you can then get into the balanced and the more aggressive time frames and things like that. But this is ideal for a beginner. See how easy it is to get started. And again, as I say, you can decide whether you want to trade the GTM on its own, strategy 1, or do you want to trade them both together, strategy 2. Okay, so now you can buy these EAs individually. I have shown you the websites that you can go to buy them individually, but you can also buy them as a bundle, and on your screen you can see the bundle. It consists of the Dream Machine, which is also a fantastic sideways market EA, also profitable, and the Make Money and the Grid Trend Multiplier. You get 60% off if you buy this particular bundle, and there's the link. The link will be in the description and in the first comment of this particular video. So what actions are you going to take after watching this video? Firstly, I would suggest you watch the Beginner Robot playlist. There are 8 videos. Have a look at some of those videos, get a feel of what is involved. Then either purchase the GTM individually or buy the 60% discounted bundle for the 3 EAs. You can decide whether you want to go for strategy 1 or do you want to go for strategy 2, and then start trading them immediately using the plug and play versions. You should start on a demo account, get going, run it for about 3 weeks. If you're comfortable with what's happening, then you move into your live account. We don't recommend you move straight into the live account. And then while the EA is trading, this is the ideal thing, you can actually train yourself on robot trading in a little bit more detail. You can learn about optimization and testing and all kinds of other things you can learn while the robot is already trading. So it's a fantastic thing. You're earning while you're learning a type of philosophy. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope that I've given you some ideas on how to trade Forex trading robots profitably. Even if you are an experienced trader, these strategies are pretty good for a nice annual return on your money. And I would suggest that you seriously have a look at the GTM EA and the Make Money EA as trading partners. The one is inconsistent but much more profitable, and the other one is consistent and will provide you with steady profit. Now, the key thing with a lot of these EAs is selecting the right currencies and obviously selecting the right settings, but we have made it easy for you in that we've pre-selected the currencies that work for those particular EAs, and we have suggested aggressive, conservative and balanced settings for those particular EAs. So the job is already done for you. So from me, Alex Aproy, cheerio.